Hello, Joan of Arc here. How did Sagada get its name? I'll tell you a little history about the place. It's called Ganduyan. Is it open? Ganduyan means paradise. It's like an oasis, like in the middle of everything. There's greenery, abundance, and the center of everything. So that's what Ganduyan means. As to the word Sagada, how it got its name, one of the tour guides said, his name is George, he said it's a product of miscommunication because there was this American tourist long time ago who met one of the natives here and he was carrying a farming tool on his back like this. So the tourist was asking for the name of the place, but the native thought that the American was asking what's the name of the tool that was strapped behind his back. And he said that that farming tool is called sagad. So the American thought that the name of the place, which was Ganduyan, was Sagad. And he cannot pronounce Sagad that well. It became Sagada. So Sagada doesn't mean anything except for that little miscommunication of that little farming tool that became the name of this place instead of Ganduyan. But for all the natives here, during sacred rituals or prayers, they still use the name Ganduyan for Sagada. So that's the original name of Sagada. Right in front of the Sagada Town Hall is a small marketplace where all the farmers, all the locals display their produce for the day. Only every Saturday, that's their market day. It's also a time for them to meet up, get together, and sell their products. We're inside the marketplace now, and let's have a look at what they're selling. So they're selling fruit. They're selling fruits both locally produced and imported. They have organic rice, of course, sunflower seeds, black rice, mountain tea, bananas, all sorts of fruits and vegetables, root crops, pineapple, calamansi, wild honey, chili sauce, coconuts, and wow, and also, what do you call this? Ano tawag dito? Huh?
Smoked meat.
Smoked meat.
Yeah.
That's the Sagada specialty.
Itag.
Itag.
Yeah.
Wow. You can never go hungry here, and you're always assured that you're eating fresh, organic vegetables. The market extends from there to here at the back of the town hall. More vegetables for sale here. This is Ganduyan indeed. Broccoli, cabbage, lettuce, sayote. You're buying a kilo of these yummy ripe Indian mangoes. Well, it's 35 pesos per kilo. The itag right over there is the smoked, Igorot smoked pork. It's 230 per slab. It's supposed to be 1 kilo before it was processed, and it's now less than a kilo. Still, it's 230. Wow, I wish I could bring some of that, but I'm still traveling. So help me choose the right carrot, 1 kilo. How many days would they last?
Days? Weeks.
Weeks. So hindi siya mapapanis?
Hindi naman mapapanis yan.
I got me now a bag of carrots, 1 kilo, for 40 pesos only. Wow, in the city, 40 pesos is just one piece of carrots. And it's not even sure if it's organic. This is Joan of Arc. See you again in another video. Bye.